Wika, and since January I have been volunteering in Zagoria. I'm working in MC, in daily center on Fridays, so you can meet me there. And also 3 days per week I'm working in primary school. I'm from Poland, I'm 20 years old, and in my free time I love reading books. And I also love mountains and sleeping in the tent, so hiking is my cup of tea. And I'm also a scout, so yeah, I love nature. And that's me. If you want know better me, and if you want meet, come to Daily Center and we can talk and have a little chat.